Today we're going to show you how we invested $1 million fund in October and what the results were. We believe math makes money. Everything we do is based on that philosophy. That is why we trade with our head and not our heart.
We search for repeatable, data-driven strategies. We enhance them with AI, validate them through rigorous testing. Then we trade them and then we forward test them to be sure the results matched or exceeded our back tests. Spoiler alert, for the 10th month in a row this year, our actual results beat our back tests.
Let's take a look at that setup and see the results.
This is how we did it. We start with lots of back testing, 14 hours of back testing every weekend. We back tested entry times, we back tested premium targets, we back tested stop loss amounts, we back tested wing widths, we back tested 28 strategies, but for this challenge we only included 2 strategies. We do this weekly, nothing is discretionary, nothing is improvised. By Sunday night, our work is done for the week.
Monday morning, the robots take over. The robots execute over 120 trades a day. We don't chase, we don't skip, we don't adjust based on how the market feels. The rules we create over the weekend become the playbook for the week, and the robots follow it with absolute discipline.
And every closing order rests on the CBOE electronic book. That means our exits are in the system the instant the trade opens, guaranteeing consistent, unemotional execution.
Can you say wing widths again?
For this challenge, we'll only run 2 trades. The first is the MEIC, multiple entry iron condor. Most traders put on 1 iron condor a day, maybe 2 if they're really aggressive. This exposes them to every minute of intraday volatility. We do the opposite. We slice the trading day into 390 micro windows, and the best 60 combinations is what we enter. Each one is independent. Each one is pre-tested. Each one targets a precise premium that we know is statistically favorable because the back tests prove it. By spreading risk across 60 small entries instead of 1 big one, we eliminate timing risk, we reduce the probability of losses, and we turn the SPX from a single, unpredictable monster into a controlled series of tiny, repeatable income events.
The second trade is the EMA. When a 20-minute exponential moving average crosses above the 40-minute EMA, we enter a put credit spread. When the 40-minute EMA moves above the 20-minute EMA, we enter a call credit spread. But the real power is when we enter as confirmed by the backtesting. No guessing, pure math, pure timing, pure structure. This is how math makes money. Every weekend, we spend long hours with AI and we test 28 strategies. Every minute, premium from 75 cents to $5. Stop loss from 50 to 900%. Wing width from 5 to 200.
We compare the KGAR, we compare the MDD, and we compare the MAR ratio. We compare our Sharpe ratios. Plus, we have some internal AI built ratios and benchmarks that we use as well. This gives us a complete picture to trade for the entire week. Ta-da! And here are the results.
Wow. They speak for themselves.
They speak for themselves. Really, really good. Let's let me give you some. Have Maria give you some of the numbers here.
So as you saw, October was another great month. We made 3,021 trades in SPX 0 DTE during the month and made a profit of over 86,000. We sold 650,000 in premium and captured over 12%. We used 40% to 70% of buying power, and we made an annual return of 103%.
103%, that's killing it. If you want to trade like a pro, you have to trade with a pro like us. Check out our channel to learn exactly how we trade every single day for free.
If any of this was of value to you, please subscribe and hit the like button below.